Hi guys! Today we will talk more about the TikTok application and we will show you how to trim sound on TikTok. So let's go to this app. As you can see, we are on our profile page where we need to start recording of our new video. Let's click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and on the central red button. Hold it on and wait a minute. Later, let's choose the checkmark option. And as you can see, we have the sounds option at the bottom panel of the screen. Let's click on it one time. And for example, I will choose the first sound here. And we will have the see this icon opposite. Click on it. Perfect. We can smoothly trim our selected sound. You can check that this is the duration of our new video. So let's scroll this track to the right or left side to choose the start of the sound and the finish. Perfect! Later, let's pick on the down option here. And your sound is smoothly saved. So after tapping on the next option, next button, we can go to the drafts or to post our video. So if this guide was useful, needful and interesting, don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok and YouTube channels. Goodbye guys. Bye bye.